Hi, I'm Mark from L&M Small Engine. Today we're working on a Troy-Bilt TB 46-inch lawn mowing tractor. It has a 46-inch deck. They were mowing with it, and I heard a bang, and it just stopped moving. It won't go. It won't go forward. It won't go in reverse. And when they moved it, they said this was under it. I don't know if this goes to it or not, but I'm gonna go ahead and take the deck off, and we'll jack it up, and we'll see why this thing ain't moving. So hope you enjoy the video. Okay, I got the deck all unhooked, all the brackets are unhooked, took the hood off. Now we gotta take the battery out so we can look back here. It's a lot easier doing it now than it is when the front end's up in the air. Take this bracket off to hold the battery down. I left the blade engagement on. The blade engagement cable, I left that on. When we jack it up, I'm just gonna slide the deck off to the side. That's one less thing to take off and put on. And these two brackets for the battery. And you can see the pulley on the rear end. This is a 2-belt system on these particular lawnmowers. I'm just going to reach in there and make sure the belts are tight. The belt that goes to the engine is really, really loose. So I guess now, jack it up. I'm thinking maybe a spring or something came unhooked, but I'm going to slide the deck out of the way. See that cable in the back? That's that blade engagement cable. We don't want to stretch it out or break it or anything. Okay, now we can pretty much see everything under there. I'm going to shut the garage door so there's not that much glare. I'm going to see why that belt is so loose. It's not in park, it's in 4th gear, but see how loose that is? I don't think it's stretched out that much. Okay, I think I found the problem here. This pivot arm right here, it don't move. So I'm gonna loosen up that nut right there. I'm gonna loosen this nut right here. I'm gonna spray some lubricant on that. Because when you engage the pedal, it tightens the top belt up, but this secondary belt's kind of loose, so where the spring is at. So I'm gonna loosen that up a little bit, spray some lube on there, and we'll give it a try. It's like a 9/16. There, you can see it move a little bit. Spray some lube on that. That's why it's always good to keep your lawnmowers in a shed or in the garage. Keep them out of the weather. I know it's hard sometimes, even if you have to get a tarp or something, you know. Yeah, I'll tighten that back up. Okay. I'm gonna lower it down, put the battery back in it, and we'll see if I won't hook up the deck yet. We'll see if we make it go forward and reverse. Hopefully we fix the problem. Not everything's hard to do. Every now and then you get something easy. Okay, I put the deck back on it and everything. Let's see what it does now. Seems working fine now. Well, these ain't the best built lawnmowers in the world. It's the two belts that run the. It's not really a transmission. It's like just the rear end. It's called a variable speed. There's a two-part pulley under the seat here. So you have the belt that goes from the motor to that pulley. Then there's another pulley underneath the other belt. It's all in one unit, and it goes to the transmission. So the farther you push down on the pedal, the tighter the belt gets from the motor to that variable speed pulley. So then it sucks in, and the belt from the transmit or the differential or whatever will go out, and that's what makes it variable speed. Anyways, it's all run on springs and swivel arms, and the one arm was frozen. So when you go forward, you get this belt tight, but then it loosened up the other belt to the transmission. That's why it went and moved. So it don't have to be something really hard to make these not work. And when they sit outside, especially during the wintertime, that snow and stuff gets up in there and it rusts and everything. I know it's hard sometimes to keep these stored inside, but you can buy a tarp for, I imagine, $10-$20 and to cover it up if you don't have a place to store it. But anyways, when you just check everything out, it don't have to be something complicated. It could be easy as a broken spring or a frozen arm like was on this one here. So hope this helps you out. Hope you enjoyed the video. Appreciate you watching. If you like my videos, please press the like button and please subscribe. Anyways, you have a good afternoon.